Welcome to the Marble Run video activity. If you have not completed the pre-lab question, pause the video and do that now. When you're ready, start the video again. Let's look at our materials. We have a marble, a ruler, a 300 centimeter tape measure, and pool noodles cut in half and taped together. But before we can start, you need to make a prediction on part 1 on your lab report. So pause the video, and when you're ready, start it again. Well, here's part 2, so let's start collecting our data. Our first height is 5 centimeters, as you can see here. And now here goes our first marble run from 5 centimeters in height, and it traveled 36 centimeters. Next, 10 centimeters in height. Here goes our marble, and it traveled 112 centimeters. Next up, 15 centimeters tall. And this one is going to travel 179 centimeters. Here's our 20 centimeters tall. And it traveled 223 centimeters. And our last height, 25 centimeters tall. And it traveled 299 centimeters. And now you can go back and collect any data that you missed and then finish the rest of your lab report. Good luck!